Inkscape Clipping Mask. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape on your computer and begin by creating a new document to prepare your workspace. Import an image into the document and place the image on the canvas so it is clearly visible. Resize the image if needed to fit your working area properly. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape where you want the image to appear. Position the shape above the image and make sure the shape fully covers the desired area. Adjust the shape size and position carefully until it matches your intended design. You can use text instead of a shape if needed for a different effect. If using text, type your word and then convert the text to a path so it can act as a clipping object. Check the layer order to ensure the shape or text is above the image. Select both the shape and the image by clicking the shape first, then holding Shift and clicking the image. Go to the Object menu, select Clip, and click Set to apply the clipping effect. The image will now be clipped inside the shape, and only the visible area inside the shape remains. If you need to adjust the result, undo or release the clip by going to Object, selecting Clip, and clicking Release. Move or resize objects if needed, then apply the clip again after adjustment. Use the Node tool if you want custom shapes, and try combining shapes for more complex masks. Use high-resolution images for better results and avoid very thin shapes for clarity. Group objects after finishing to keep your design organized. Finally, save your file as SVG and export it as PNG for the final output. Make sure to zoom in and out while adjusting to check alignment and edges accurately. Pay attention to the edges of the clipping shape to ensure there are no unwanted gaps or overlaps. You can also duplicate shapes before applying the clip as a backup for later edits. Keep your layers organized by renaming them if necessary for easier editing. Always preview your design before exporting to confirm everything looks correct and clean, and ensure colors and details remain sharp after exporting process.